Here I have FairPhone 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions, you can add calls, messages. What else can you add? Alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders and events to the exceptions. Could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts or from nobody. You can also add these allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, his call will be added to the exceptions too. The same goes to messages. You can also restrict notifications. You can restrict only sound notifications. You can restrict visual and sound notifications. And you have these advanced restrictions. You can set default duration of this mode, and you can also add the schedule for it. You can pick days in which it will be active. You can change its name. You can select start time, end time, and use this schedule like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.